Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do piercing on the outer side of the ear. Make sure all the hairs are away from the ear. Sterilize the area with a pre-injection swab. Mark the area with a sterilized pen. And ask the customer to have a look to confirm where the mark is made. And if the customer is happy, then open up a pre-sterile stud box and all the little instruments you have to reinforce them on the gun. You hold it slight ear away and then bang. Make sure that the stud at the back is connected to the stud in the front so it doesn't fall off, and check that the piercing has gone through to the back end, and you're done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please any suggestions you can write them on the comment box. We'll try to do whatever we can. Now don't forget the aftercare lotion, and ask the customer to wash hands and apply it in the morning and in the evening, and you're done. Thank you for watching.